The first time that you launch Whiteboard, you're going to get this screen here. This is just a welcome screen, a setup screen. You're not going to see it again, but it just gives you a little overview of what you're looking at. For example, it shows you here's your pen tool down here, import content, how to add a new page, sign in, etc. But before we get into all that and how to use Whiteboard, we need to learn how to sign in to the software. The reason why we want to sign in is for two things. One, it's going to allow us to connect to our cloud storage and bring in our content, but it's also going to allow us to collaborate with our students who may not be in class. And the way that we do that is we sign in. One way that we can sign in is we can use an app called the myViewBoard companion app. So this little section over here just shows you that you can download an app for iOS or for Android. These are QR codes so you can scan that and then find the myViewBoard companion app in your app store. Or you can just search for the app in your app store. Go ahead and install it and then sign in. I already have the companion app installed on my phone. It's going to look like this. So when you're signed in, this is the home screen. And here, down kind of towards the bottom, you're gonna see a QR code icon. This is what allows us to sign in. So if you remember from that first page, there's an arrow that says the circle icon is where you sign in. You can see our circle icon down here on the bottom right corner. So if I click on that or touch it, what it's gonna allow me to do is it's gonna let me open the sign in window. So you see there I can toggle it on or off just by simply pressing that icon. Notice that there's a QR code right there. The QR code is what I use in my companion app to scan and sign in. So I touch the QR code button on my app and you'll see here it's turned on my camera. Now I can walk over and scan this QR code and it's going to sign me into the software. The way that you know you're signed in is one, if you changed your avatar, you should see your avatar icon down here in the bottom right corner. But an easier way to tell is that if you look here in the top left corner, you can see my name. Remember when we went to myviewboard.com and set up our account, we changed our myViewBoard name. That's that unique name that you chose. When you sign in, that name should show up in the top left corner. If you don't see your name or your email, then you're not signed in. Remember, go to the circle in the bottom right corner and click on it or touch it. That will open the sign in window, allowing you access to the software.